Hey everybody, this is John Frost with the Disney Vlog, and I'm here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort where everybody has their phones out and walking around taking pictures of the amazing, beautiful, very Christmassy decorations here. We've got our giant tree behind us that is helicoptered in at night by Santa's secret elves. And there's of course a large gingerbread house down below, but can't be missed. And lots of great other decorations all around the resort. So let's go take a quick walking tour and see what we can find. And be sure to tell your friends so they can enjoy this beautiful Christmas display as well. So I'm going to flip the camera around. Here we go. So I'm on the second floor of the lobby area here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort, and if you count, it's really like third story because the main is like two, and the Christmas tree actually goes up to the middle of the third or fourth story here. So that's a really tall Christmas tree, custom for this, and of course the theme is Victorian, so there's lots of ribbons and beautiful birdhouses on it. Everybody on the other side is, they're getting photos taken with it. And then as I pan down here, you see the top of this huge gingerbread house, and you're actually going to look down inside to where the cast members are working the store. So this is the 20th anniversary of the gingerbread house here at Disney's Grand Floridian. And so they've hidden tons of little hidden Mickeys on it. There's a lot more beautiful decorations on it than ever before. The poinsettia flowers are really, really detailed and really beautiful. It takes a whole team of culinary and pastry chefs to put this together. And if you go to the Disney blog, you can actually see a time-lapse video of how they do it. And this is a new location for the house. Normally you see the queue over there on the right. That's normally where the house is. So I don't know why they're expecting larger crowds this year, but they definitely got them, and they needed the larger queue space, so it makes sense to have the house here in the middle now. And if you're a vegan, actually, Erin McKenna's Bakery has lots of baked goods here, so you can come and get your vegan desserts as well. So if that line dies down before I have to leave, I will be down there trying some myself. Alright, so we're going to walk over to the Grand Showcase here, past Misner's Lounge, which of course has some beautiful Christmas decorations. Great place to come and get a drink after a long day at the parks. And I love this beautiful wreath up here. So a lot of people don't know, but the lobby of the Grand Floridian is scheduled to get a refurbishment. And my understanding is it's going to start very soon after the Christmas season. So this may be the last time the lobby looks quite like this. The plan is to keep the Victorian theming, obviously, but rework the space, make it more friendly for the sort of amenities that people who travel to Disney's most high-end resorts expect to find when they arrive. So particularly the concierge desk, the check-in area, and the back of house areas all need to be reworked. The traffic flow with where the elevators are, I suspect might get changed. Just around the elevators, not going to move the elevators, obviously. But I hope they keep the band. The band's not playing now, but I'm sure they'll be here later, playing some beautiful jazzy Christmas tunes. And it's really an incredible house this year. So I want to head down there and we can take another look at it. We'll go over here to the Grand Staircase, which of course has beautiful Christmas decorations itself. This staircase is a favorite of brides and grooms to get their wedding photos on. If you were with us earlier on Twitter, where we walked through the Polynesian village, you can go check out our Periscope, our live feed from earlier today of the Polynesian Village Resort and all their Christmas decorations. And we ended up at the wedding chapel, where talked a little bit about some of your options if you wanted to come here and get married or do vow renewals or just have a good time. Here's one of the little details of the Grand Floridian that a lot of people don't stop to see, but there's Cinderella's carriage with the Grand Floridian logo in the carpet right here on the grand staircase. All right, let's go check out that beautiful gingerbread house. So the gingerbread house is they assemble it right here. They bake I think it's over 1,500 shingles, if I'm correctly, to build the house. It takes 1,050 pounds of honey, 140 pints of egg whites, 600 pounds of powdered sugar, 700 pounds of chocolate, believe it or not. Like, look at all those poinsettia flowers there. And then 800 pounds of flour, 35 pounds of spices, and of course tons of Disney magic and pixie dust. So, and if you come by around 1 o'clock, as you can see over here right now, they're actually going to do a gingerbread house class. We're not going to stick around for that, but they're out here right now. They got a little demonstration set up. So there he goes.
How's everybody doing today? Woo, we got a big crowd. It's going to take me just a minute. I have to unwrap everything, and then we're going to decorate gingerbread houses. When I get done decorating the gingerbread house, guess what I do? We eat it. I hand out samples of gingerbread. Ooh.
Sounds really good. All right.
I want to introduce Meg. She's going to be introduced.
So I can't stick around for that. We have some time in it today, but look at these beautiful swans here on the Christmas tree with necklaces. How many swans do you know that wear beautiful necklaces?
It is a wood structure. It takes the engineers 2 days to put up that structure, and while they're working on the inside, we're busy working on the outside. It took us 3 days to put on over 10,000 pieces of gingerbread.
It's really an impressive Christmas tree this year. When you stand at the foot of it like this and look up, you really get an idea for how big it is. All right, we're gonna go out the front and take a look around out in the valet area where there's just a few more Christmas decorations out there. And then we're gonna go out the back and we'll wrap up by the pool where there's some more Christmas decorations. So let's go. So when you come in, there are these two beautiful Christmas trees, one blue, one pink. You decide yourself what the symbolism of that is. And this really beautiful floral bouquet there as well. So, and then out front in the valet where they're vacuuming right now, so you may they have these really incredible poinsettia gardens here. Just makes the whole place so colorful. You feel right into the magic right away when you drop off your car or get out of the bus. It's bringing you here from the airport. Oh look, one of the Cinderella strollers is over here. We'll have a quick look at this. So it's got lights on it. It all lights up at night. I've seen them in the parks before. It's a little ostentatious, but you know, if your little girl wants to be princess, or your little guy wants to be a prince, and they want their own carriage to take them through the parks, this is a legitimate way. Disney lets you bring this into the Magic Kingdom. So it's pretty beautiful, actually. Alright, so we'll come over here. You arrive and there are these beautiful garlands and the poinsettias. Ooh, unhappy child. We're going to walk out the back here. The gingerbread decoration demo is in full swing. And we have 1900 Park Fair, which is a very popular place for princess and other character breakfasts and meals. And then the Grand Floridian Cafe, which has a line because people are just checking in, and that looks really beautiful in there for Christmas. And then out back here, more poinsettias. These illuminated statues over there. These beautiful poinsettia towers and swans. Out by the pool. So thanks for joining me on this brief walk through Disney's Grand Floridian. I hope you had a good time checking out the various Christmas decorations and the huge tree and the giant gingerbread house. Grand Floridian, you know, it's out of the price range for a lot of people, but that doesn't mean when you're here on vacation you can't stop by and just enjoy. So that's what I recommend. Jump on the monorail tour during when the Magic Kingdom's the busiest. Come enjoy the hotels, especially in the holidays. The parks are, the resorts are at their most beautiful. So thanks for joining me. Be sure to like and comment down below what your favorite part about the holidays here at Walt Disney World are. And if you don't follow us on Facebook, please do. And then of course we're on Twitter and Instagram and YouTube and of course the DisneyBlog.com. So we hope to see you there. Happy holidays, everybody.